Hello, everyone. Module 1 discussion: the history of single case research design in ABA. Why use single case research designs? Single case research designs are special because they focus on one person at a time. This means we can observe that person's behavior closely and measure it many times. It helps us notice small changes and determine if our treatment is effective. It's also easier to adjust the plan to fit the person. These designs are great when we want to track progress step by step, as Cooper states that single case design allows for repeated measures, which enhance the ability to determine functional relations. That means we can tell if the treatment is helping. Why SCRCs help us work better with clients? SCRCs help us do better work with our clients because we can see result quickly. If the treatment isn't working, we can change it fast. These designs let us fix the treatment to each person's needs. They help ensure we are not wasting time and that we are doing what works. This means the plan fits the person, not just the problem. What is experimental control? In single case research, experimental control means showing that the treatment is really causing the behavior to change. We do this by comparing the person's behavior before, during, and after the treatment. That way, we know it's the treatment making the difference. In a group studies, people use average and statistics, but in SCRCs, we look at each person's closely. This helps us be more confident that the treatment works. Learning from one person over time. One of the best things about SCRDs is that we learn a lot by watching one person over time. Instead of mixing everyone's data, we focus on that one person's behavior. This gives us a clear picture of what's helping or not. It also helps us avoid confusion that can occur we examine group data. Helping people in personalized ways. Everyone is these help us plan treatments that match each person. These designs are great for kids with special needs because they allow us to build a plan that fits them, not just the general idea. And if something isn't working, it's easier to change. As the researcher states, the primary purpose of a single case design is to determine the effects on the behavior of an individual. That means the goal is to help one person at a time in the best way possible. Checking if the treatment really works. SCRDs help us check if our treatment really works. We look at how the person acts before the treatment, during it, and after. It helps us see clearly what is causing change. If it works, we keep going. If not, we stop all changes. As the researcher says, single case method allow practitioners to make meaningful data driven decisions. That means we don't guess, we use rare evidence to determine what to do next. And the next slide is my reference. Thank you.